So this West Indies 13-man squad to face England in the first of 3 test matches. The Maverick is struggling to summon up the energy to apply any kind of cerebral effort in looking at the squad. I mean, one must say, all right, John Campbell is back after making 100 against Barbados. Shea Hope is out. Shimron Hetmeyer is still not fit. Raheem Cornwall and Jamel Warrican are out. And Versame Permal is in, while Shannon Gabriel misses out. And blah, blah, blah. You realize that with West Indies cricket right now, all of the players them in the region interchangeable. It's like 6 of one, half dozen of the other. We can replace the names with some letters, and it don't make no difference. Yes. So instead of calling names, we can just say A is back after making some runs, B is out, C is left out because of fitness, D and E are out, and F is in. Where is G and H, who were so promising? And we can say I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z are all in contention for selection. Yes. Just put all of the names and the letters in a hat and pick out 11. If that no work, we start over again. Make we recall A and try B again. What about C and D and E and F? Make we try G and H and I. And then we go J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X again.